Hello everyone and welcome to Precision Learning. Precision Learning is a quality-driven training firm that provides soft skills, leadership development, and business English training in addition to career and professional development counseling. We don't offer generic training programs. We offer personalized, proprietary, and proven training methods that help our trainees become the best version of themselves. Established in 2008 in the United States, we have worked with countless clients to provide them the next step in their professional development. Our skills programs can be built especially for your university, organization, or corporation, or for you as a private client. Precision Learning offers intensive training for both students and organizational professionals that break skills down to a science. You'll get more than simple training. We'll run with you to the finish line. From the moment you enroll until completion, your progress is our personal mission. At Precision Learning, we offer 6 guarantees. We will work with you to reach your highest potential. You will only work with the best instructors. You will only study in state-of-the-art spaces. You will build on your strength and conquer your weaknesses. You'll be proud to call us your partner. And your skills will improve, guaranteed. We are proud to offer a number of services to help you meet your professional goals or your organization's bottom line, among them being leadership development, effective communication, business and professional writing, conflict resolution and team dynamics, adaptability, work ethic, and time management, conducting meetings and negotiations, how to speak publicly, how to present professionally in a way that is most effective, how to brand yourself both personally and professionally, how to master the ability to write a CV or to conquer an interview, how to handle emotional intelligence in the workplace, how to develop yourself professionally and network along the way, how to understand diversity and to possess the highest levels of cultural competency, and lastly, how to write professionally and excel in the highest levels of business English. So why are the skills that Precision Learning trains you on so critical? Well, according to a study by McKinsey, 30% of companies admit failure to exploit their business potential because they don't have the leaders that have the right soft skills and leadership capabilities for success. 2/3 of upper management ranked soft skills and leadership development as a #1 priority for employee development. And 93% of senior managers believe that their employees were not sufficiently skilled in these areas for prime success for the organization. According to the McKinsey study, 86% of companies with mature LD programs actually were able to respond rapidly to changing market conditions versus just 52% that did not have the same. 65% of companies that had mature leadership development programs drove improved success versus just 6% that did not. So why is business English so important? Well, according to the British Council, English is spoken by over 1.5 billion people daily worldwide, and it's essential for global business communication. In addition, over 60% of the top internet websites are in English, making it the most important language for digital communication. 70% of international business executives use English as their language of business. Business English is crucial even if you're from a non-native English-speaking country. The reality is that 95% of top international executives in those countries value English as the language of business and as a crucial skill to have in the workplace. According to the Globalization and World Cities Research Network, mastering English can actually help our earning potential by up to 35% internationally. And according to Pearson, 90% of international employees say that business English is either very important or required for their position. Business English is so important that according to the United Nations, over 400 international organizations use English as their official language. In fact, the Harvard Business Review reports that business English is crucial and key for leadership and negotiation on the global stage. English also dominates academic and professional publications, making it critical for graduate studies. And according to Forbes, key terms and concepts in both tech and business are in business English. So, in order to get that competitive edge, business English is critical. So what are soft skills and why are they so important? Well, hard skills are the technical skills that we learn from an academic education. On the other hand, soft skills are the skills that we don't really talk about that much, but are just as important, if not sometimes more important, than those hard skills. Soft skills inform us on how to act, how to speak, how to function in the workplace, and how to excel in our professional career. Encompassing interpersonal skills, they also help us tremendously in our personal lives. According to Forbes, soft skills enhance teamwork and collaboration, which are both crucial for diverse work environments. The Harvard Business Review reports that soft skills such as empathy, problem solving, and communication are crucial for effective leadership. And a LinkedIn study reports that employees with strong soft skills are 60% more likely to be promoted in the workplace. The Carnegie Foundation reports that 85% of job success is linked to having very strong soft and people skills. Soft skills are also key in negotiating and resolving workplace conflicts, making them crucial to harmony within any organization. According to McKinsey, adaptability, another soft skill, is critical to maintaining relevance within a fast-changing business environment. And for upper management, Gallup reports that having strong soft skills is directly linked to strong employee retention. So what about customer service and client relations? Well, Salesforce actually reports that having strong soft skills, such as communication and empathy, is directly linked to stronger client satisfaction. A Harvard Business Review study also indicated that having strong soft skills allows us to bridge cultural differences, which is crucial in an increasingly diverse and interconnected world. An often undervalued soft skill is creativity, but according to IBM, it's crucial for both entrepreneurship and intrapreneurship. And did you know it can actually be learned? Let's talk leadership development, which is something that is often on the priority list for many organizations, but it's complex to navigate. According to the Center for Creative Leadership, leadership development actually equips leaders with all the tools necessary to set clear visions and strategies for their teams. Leadership development also equips us with the know-how to make clear and informed decisions even under the most intense professional pressure. According to Gallup, strong leaders actually retain their employees by over 20% due to their ability to navigate challenging situations. Leadership development is so crucial to organizational performance. In fact, the Association for Talent Development reports a 25% increase in organizational performance just because an organization has prioritized quality leadership development training. Trained leaders can also better navigate change, guiding employees through transitions much more smoothly. According to McKinsey, leadership development cultivates skills that allow leaders to drive and manage innovation throughout the organization. The Harvard Business Review reports that strong leadership training can actually cultivate the next generation of leaders, ensuring both sustainability and longevity for the organization. Forbes reports that team cohesiveness and leadership development are directly connected to each other. In fact, quality programs can actually enhance our skills to handle and resolve conflicts in the workplace. Good leaders can also be trained to motivate and inspire, increasing both productivity and team engagement in the workplace. Leadership development training can also enhance our ability to assess risks and handle those situations proactively. Precision Learning offers soft skills, leadership development, and business English training, as well as career counseling like you've never seen before. So what do we address in our trainings? Well, we talk about key points to strong leadership, leadership vision and managerial goals, organizational efficiency, strategy, and planning to its optimum, creating and developing a strong team and inspiring teamwork in your employees, motivating employees to achieve the highest professional success, how to manage different personalities, and how to hire and retain the right employees. We address how to handle conflict within the organization and even how to manage harassment and violence in the workplace. We address how to deal with attendance and poor job performance. We talk about the importance of delegation, multitasking, and prioritizing certain skills. Our trainings discuss time management and how to keep stress under control. We talk about the complexity of problem solving and how to make even the most difficult decisions. Our trainings address the most important verbal and written communication skills. We talk meeting management, how to speak in the most intense public speaking environments, and how to prepare and conquer the best presentations. We address how to communicate crucial changes to staff and how to maintain open communication in the workplace. We address how to earn and maintain respect among colleagues and peers. We talk about how to share the organizational vision and how to take steps as a team to achieve that organizational vision in a way that best impacts your bottom line. At Precision Learning, we don't offer generic training programs. This is an all-around immersion experience. You'll only work with the best instructors. Others claim to be rigorous in their hiring standards. We believe that we define rigor. You'll only study in state-of-the-art spaces. We know that environment matters when it comes to progress, so whether we come to you or you come to us, you'll be comfortable where you sit. You will build on your strengths and conquer your weaknesses. Our instructors make use of diverse training methods and allow you to see every skill from various time-tested vantage points for ultimate success. We are proud to serve the most prestigious clients who are as quality-focused in their training provider as we are in the results that we deliver. Your skills will improve, guaranteed. You won't just feel better about your skills or those of your employees, you'll feel better about the future and progress of your organization. By building a customized training program, you can save significantly off of our regular program pricing and save even more off of the competition. Even so, you'll secure the best instructor training experience and results guaranteed. The bottom line, we're in the business of delivering results and have been for many years. The uncertainty stops with Precision Learning, where exceptional is not our goal, it's our standard.